Greetings, friends, and welcome to CP Careers, a leading recruitment agency operating internationally. And we love to connect with our candidates. We would love to have a very strong connect with our candidates and with our clients so that we can justify our actions, we can justify our job. So this is where we are launching these videos primarily to connect with you so that you have a better understanding of what we want and our clients are also aware of what we are doing. So this is the primary objective, and here we are with this position of manager teacher recruitment and training. Now this is primarily for an edtech company which is catching a lot of news today in today's date. In fact, they're doing pretty well and they have been able to mobilize a very good funding for their startup. So let's understand about this particular position, what they are looking at. They are looking for candidates who would primarily be responsible for recruitment of teachers and then for online teaching, and then primarily training them on the platform. So that is the job profile. The position is based out of Bombay, and let's dive into this to understand the job profile. So here we are. The job profile says that the teacher screening conduct video interviews to shortlist candidates that meet the minimum requirement. That means that you would have to first of all find out the candidates, those who would be interested in teaching online. In fact, in today's date, there are a lot of people, those who want to teach online, and since this is growing pretty well, and they would like to associate themselves with a platform also, which is a leading platform. So you would be responsible for primarily identifying the right people, the right teachers who can teach online, who have good communication skills, and who can connect very well with the students while teaching. So that is the job profile. Once you onboard them, then you would also be responsible for giving them a brief training on the platform. So that is particularly what is the job profile here. And then at times you would be responsible for taking the feedback from them and then identifying the training needs that they have for performing better, for increasing the efficiency and productivity of the job. So what is it that next that they're looking at? They want upskill current set of teachers to become better teachers and mentors through continuous training and coaching. Required experience and qualification: demo level 1, prior coding experience preferable, either through professional work experience or through teaching coding. Prior demo level 2, prior coding experience mandatory, either through professional work experience or through teaching coding. Similarly, demo level 3, prior coding experience mandatory, either through professional work experience or through teaching coding. Prior training recruitment experience preferred. Strong comfort with technology. All demo classes will be done online and require a native comfort with technology. Communication skills: effective oral and written communication skills. So what it means is that in fact you would find it a little different from the generic job profile. That is, if we are doing the recruitment, why do you need the coding? So this is what exactly that we asked the client also, that recruitment and coding are two different verticals, two different skills. But what they are saying is that they are looking for somebody who have this experience. If they have, very good. If they don't have it, then the recruitment skills themselves would be sufficient. So this is what we are also keeping in mind. If you have some coding experience, very good. If you don't, it would be very nice if you can primarily pick up coding skills from online classes. Coding skills do not take much. In fact, 3 days of session on coding would be good enough for you to have a basic understanding of coding. Coding, in fact, in today's date is taught to 7th or 8th standard students also. So I'm sure that it would not be difficult for you to pick up the coding skills, the basic introductory coding skills. Okay. So now what we are looking at is somebody who has an experience of recruitment from teaching and also have some education or teaching industry. See, this is what we're talking is industry and not the teaching experience. Okay, so functional area: teaching, education, training, counseling. So this is what is the job profile. That means that yes, they are okay with candidates who have experience of teaching online, and if they are okay of coming into a recruitment industry. You have been working in recruitment for education industry, that would be the best part, that would be the plus point. So friends, if you think that you are matching these skills, the requirement, and you would be interested, please submit your CV here on this particular link. Once you click on this link, a page would open up. Here, let me show you this page. Okay. So this page would open up, which would ask you a set of questions which would be required to answer to qualify for this particular position. So we look forward to receiving your resumes, and if you have any feedback on the video, please do let us know on the comment section, and please do subscribe to our channel to get the further updates on the positions, on any new positions that we would be sharing on this particular platform. So thank you friends, thank you so much. If you have any other query, please feel free to connect with us, and please do subscribe to our channel. Please do press on the notification bell if you want to get the notifications of the new jobs which we would be posting. And if you would have any questions, please feel free to ask. You would get the application link in the description box. That is where you can find the details also, and you can apply through that. Thank you guys, and have a great time ahead.